Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. In this video we are going to discuss questions on environmental pollution. You can even download the short notes of the Hindu PDF from the given below links. We move further. Here you can see the number and some of the links which are meant for you. You can join the WhatsApp group for answer writing initiatives. You can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe the blog for getting an interesting articles which are related to personal development and UPSC related articles. You can join the Telegram channel to get the PDFs. Right, now we are jump into our content, that is questions based on the environmental pollutions, chapter 5 of the Shankar IAS, e-waste pollution. This is a part number 6 and we have uploaded the part number 1, part number 2, part number 3, part number 4 and part number 5. So you can visit that all and then you can come to the part number 6. Right, we will move for the first question right now. Our first question is option number A. Option number A says the discarded and end of the life electronic products ranging from computers, equipments used in information communication technology, home appliance, audio and video products, and all of their peripherals are popularly known as electronic waste or e-waste. Second statement says the discarded and end of the life electronic products ranging from computers, equipments used in information communication technology but not in home appliance, audio and video products, and all of the peripherals are known as electronic waste or e-waste. So choose the correct statement from the given options. That is, option number 1 is only A, option number 2 is only B, and option number C is all the above, that is A, B, C, O. Sorry, we don't have C, so all the above. And option number D is neither A nor B. So you can choose the correct answer from the options given below. Our option is the right answer of this question is option number A will be the right answer because it will also include the home appliance, and in second statement it is saying that the home appliance will not be included. For this reason the second statement will goes wrong. Right now we jump to the second question, that is which of the statement given below are correct. Okay, here you can make the statement little bit correct. So this is which is the statement from the given below are correct. That is, statement 1 says e-waste is hazardous and statement 2 says e-waste is not hazardous, and choose the correct code from the given options. Option number A is only A, option number 2 is only B, and option number C is none, and option number D is both of them above. So you have to choose the correct answer from the given options. So let me tell you the right answer. That is, if you see according to the book, okay, according to the syllabus, then option number B will be the right answer. Right, option number B will be the right answer because e-waste is not hazardous. Why? Because if we deposit it according to the scientific method, okay, if we deposit according to the scientific method, then the e-waste won't be the hazardous for human health. But in general terms, if we see e-waste, it is most hazardous. So if in examination such kind of question and such kind of options they will frame, then you have to mark your option number A will be the right answer in examinations. But we are solely discussing regarding the particular topic, and I have mentioned you that you have to be prepared with these topics. So based on the topic, your answer number B will be the right answer. So here our B option will be the right answer, neither the A. Right, so alright, we move for the third question. That is, statement number 1 says in India among the top 10 cities, Mumbai ranks first in the generating e-waste, followed by Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Pune, Surat and Nagpur. And in statement number 2 says in India among the top 10 cities, New Delhi ranks first, generating e-waste, followed by Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Pune, Surat and Nagpur. Choose the wrong code from the given statement. So you have to choose the wrong code, neither the right answer. Okay friends, so we will move for the answer. So our answer will be only B. So B will be the right answer, because B is the wrong answer here, because in statement number 1 it has saying that Mumbai ranks first. Yes, it is obviously Mumbai ranks first, followed by Delhi.